In this video, we will show you how to sell and redeem a package on the same day. If a client who is in service would like to purchase a package and apply it to their current appointment, first you will need to sell the package to the client via the sales screen. Then you can redeem the package when checking out the appointment. To sell the package to the client, go to the sales screen and click New Checkout. Select the client who will be using the package. Click More, Package, and select the package the client would like to purchase. Complete the checkout as you normally would. Once the checkout is complete, the package is added to the Packages screen and is available for the client to use. To redeem the package when checking out the appointment, select the appointment on the calendar and click Checkout. Click Apply a Package. Click Apply next to the package that should be used and complete the checkout as you normally would.